Hello foodie friends, welcome back to part 2 of our Valentine dessert series. Today we're going to do a very simple sugar cookie out of our Betty Crocker cookie book, but it wouldn't be us if we didn't overcomplicate things and decide to do every cookie decorating idea in this book. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get started.
So here's our recipe that we're going to be using. You can see it's a very simple cookie recipe. Just make sure you leave yourself enough time to do it because you will be putting these in the refrigerator for 2 hours or until firm. That way you can cut them out easier. And as for our frostings and our glazes, we're going to be trying this frosting here, the egg yolk paint, milk paint, food color paint, and we're also going to be trying this marbled look, and also, oh, right there's the marbled look, and you'll need paint brushes for that also. We're going to be doing this flocking, which is actually going to look like this right here.
Alright, so I've got all of our ingredients all measured and ready to go. I went ahead and put the cream of tartar and the baking soda into the flour. And I'm going to leave off the granulated sugar because we're actually going to use frosting and the food coloring to decorate the cookies later. But if you're not going to do that, go ahead and sprinkle them with granulated sugar. Most of the cookies baked, but right now I need to make some of these frostings because 2 of these you need to apply to the cookies before you bake them. That is the evaporated milk paint and the egg yolk paint. I've already got my 2 cups of confectioner's sugar in my mixer. I'm going to add the milk and vanilla, get that going, and then while that's mixing, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the rest of these and mix my food colorings together. So, we finally have a few cookies done after, what, several hours of work?
Yeah, it's a little more work than we thought it was going to be.
Okay, but we do have a few things that we did find out. Number 1, in the interest of all honesty, I accidentally messed up on the egg yolk the first time. I forgot to put the 1/4 teaspoon of water in before I brushed it on and added it to the cookie. So this is why you have a little bit of a too thick texture that didn't really spread very well at all. So I actually did redo it and I got this effect, and this is with the quarter teaspoon of water that I added to it, but it's still kind of, I don't know.
Not an even.
It's not my favorite, and I think the egg yolk actually muddied the color a little bit, and I don't know. Oh, and the smell. That's the other thing. When I pulled them out of the oven, now you can't smell them now, but when you first pull them out of the oven and they're really hot and you get like this
odor.
burst of cooked egg yolk, it's not pleasant. So I don't think I would use that one again. This one is, this is our milk paint. So we added the food coloring just to the evaporated milk, and I think you get a more even coating. It didn't muddy the colors as much, but after baking, I don't know. I'm still not really all that impressed with it. Especially the purple color. I don't think that really came through very well. So I don't even know if I would use this technique again. Unless you just like use it and then add a bunch of other decorations to it to kind of like, you know, jazz it up a little bit. And this one's our flocking. So this one you just pipe the icing on, dump some sprinkles on it, take off the excess, and there you go. You're done.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, so this one I would recommend, especially if you're in a time crunch.
Yeah.
This is a good one to hurry up and ice a lot of cookies. So I'm okay with that one. Our other technique was, this is the marbling, and this one just used food coloring water. So you just, you know, a little water in a bowl, a little bit of food coloring, and that's it. Take a paintbrush and paint it on there. Unless you're artistically minded.
Yeah, it's just kind of like, eh.
Yeah,
I mean, it's okay, but it's not like...
It was a little difficult, I thought, to actually get the paint to go on there.
Yeah.
And so I don't even know. Wasn't really too impressed with this technique either. Unless, like I said, you're artistically talented and you just can paint anything on anything. So I don't know. But that wasn't my favorite either. And then of course we've got we've just got regular sprinkles and stuff on that one. But we need to do a taste test.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just do, let's break apart this and just eat a little piece of this and just see what this egg yolk tastes like.
Tastes like a sugar cookie.
It's a sugar cookie, but
it has a little bit of a different texture on the top. You can feel it.
I think that's what I'm reacting to.
Like a skin?
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
I can taste a little bit of an egg yolk skin on top of the cookie. Not a fan of that.
Doesn't bother me, but it doesn't add anything either.
Yeah, it's not, and I'd say we probably won't even be able to taste anything on this one. Yeah, just sugar cookie.
Yeah. It's a colorful sugar cookie.
Yeah, sugar cookie with color on top.
That'd be fun to do, like I said, if you were going to add something else on top.
Right. Let's try one of these. I'm sure we know what the flocking. Well, actually, let's try one of these. It's just got this has just got the confectioner sugar frosting. Yeah. Confectioner sugar frosting, and then we just added some little candies on top.
Ooh, those candies too, man.
No, I like that.
That's like sweet tarts on top of sugar.
Yeah.
On top of sugar and flour.
You couldn't eat a whole lot of these.
But it actually is really good.
They really are.
I know, I'm surprised.
And we actually did test one of our other Betty Crocker tips that we had used last week. And this one worked really good.
Yeah.
So inexpensive. I mean, I think that's kind of the way to go.
Yeah.
If you just need something quick.
You could have wrote stuff or whatever.
Yeah, we could have wrote something on there. I mean, it would have done it. We just kind of got tired and a little bit lazy. So you can see we're just like,
put it
just
on there.
put some squiggles on there.
Yeah.
It's great. But now, we have to come to the conclusion. Does it pass the Life with Lita TCT test?
All right.
Which is taste, cost, and time.
Alright. No on the time.
Well,
Actually,
it did take a long time, but now I'm going to do a caveat to that. If you just decide to pick one decorating method, that'd be fine. If you just have an afternoon that you want to entertain the kids, you know?
Yeah.
I think let them go at it. You know?
Even the color of these two wouldn't have been bad if that's all you were doing.
Yeah, exactly. If you're just painting.
I mean, now, if you do this and you add that, it'd be a little more, but not really a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just milk and food coloring.
Yeah,
you before you cook it.
We just went wild.
Yeah.
We just did
because we did all of it. The time is a little rough.
Yeah. But I'm gonna say a 4 on time.
Okay.
because I think you could really narrow that down if you wanted to.
Yeah.
As far as cost, I actually think these are very cost effective.
Yeah, we already had most of it.
Yeah, it's ingredients that you should already have, like baking soda, flour. I mean, it's just a regular cookie.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So that's not really any big deal. So I'm gonna give it a 4 on cost too.
Yeah.
You know, you have to buy some sprinkles, but I just went to Walmart and I got them for like $1.80.
Yeah. If you want to do the sprinkles, if not, you can do the icing without.
Yeah, that's true. You can just do the frosting and not even care about the sprinkles. Let's see. What was our other one? Oh, taste.
Taste.
The most important one. I'm gonna give it a 5.
On the taste?
Yeah.
That one with the candy sprinkles, I will give a 5.
No, I'm just doing the cookie itself.
Oh, just the cookie itself.
Yeah.
I'd probably go with a 4.
Okay. The reason why I said 5.
We'll split on 4.5.
Okay, 4.5. The reason why I say 5 is because they added a little bit of almond flavor into it, and I can taste the almond, and it kind of kicked that sugar cookie up a notch. I've had sugar cookies before that were just kind of like, it's sugar.
Yeah.
It's a cookie.
Yeah.
But this one had vanilla and almond. Kind of punched it up a little bit. So just in sugar cookie categories, I would put it at a 5. So what does that average? We got 5, a 4, and a 4.
5, a 4, and a 4?
Yes.
That's a 4.33.
The Life with Lita TCT test?
4.33.
4.33.
Alright, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. If you want to attempt any of these, I think, like I said, with an afternoon with the kids, I'd go for it. I think it'd be a fun afternoon.
Yeah.
Alright, so if you like this video, click like. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that because we're going to have even more cooking videos coming up. And thank you for watching. We will see you next time after we eat all these cookies, decorate the rest of them, and then clean up. Bye, guys.